You good?
Oh, trust me, it don't hurt no more.
Hey Siri, pause.
I pushed too hard on my back brake. Oh, it finally came off. I wanted it to come off so I could get another one.
Mother. É ignorância demais, né, mano? Aí, ó. Aí, ó. É muita ignorância, velho. Hey, thanks guys. Oh, the kids love it. What are you doing? You guys good? It just died?
Yeah.
Are you in park?
No.
Are you in park now?
Yeah.
All right. Is the car on?
No.
Try to turn it on. Yeah. Try to turn it back on. There you go. You good? All right. You're good. What? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go get somebody right now.
Yeah, please.
There's a guy like a mile up on the left side in a Honda having a heart attack.
This way?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey! I will go.
Thank you.
Up this way, right?
Yeah, up this way.
Left of the signal?
Yeah, this way. They're gonna be after a big left roundabout. They're gonna be on the left side, under the shade. Honda. There's two of them. There's a guy sitting in the passenger guy is having a heart attack.
You guys got the AED, right?
Oh God, that was
Thank you
stressful.
for telling us.
Que louco, olha pra frente, meu filho. Ave Maria.
E aí, X-Race? Isso aí, pode ou não pode? Pode ou não pode? Oh God! Seriously. Yeah, go catch it a little closer. I get like an inch or two off the ground.
Pause. Alright.
You blind? Oh, look.
You good?
Yeah, but the chain just snapped off.
Oh, damn.
Came off and hit everything.
It didn't hit you though? You're good?
You good?
Woo!
Yeah, but they got it and hit
Do you want, what we can do if you want, is we could push you. I could push you with my foot and you just make sure you're steering. Either we'll go this way or we'll go that way, whatever you want to do.
You sure?
Yeah? Even if it has to be slow.
Probably that way, so that way I could call somebody.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do that then. All right, so just let's walk her around, and then what we'll do is I'll push you with my foot. Yeah, keep these down. Yeah. Start going more towards the middle. Oh wait, hold up. It's gonna be interesting. Huh?
I tried it before, it's hard.
Yeah. It's gonna be hella interesting. Alright, now that we're moving, alright, start going more towards the left here so we don't stop. Let's see. After this car, now. Start going more left, yep.
That's so silly. I'm guessing it was the paint, but fuck it. Thank you guys.
Of course. You okay?
Oh yeah, I think it was just
No
the paint.
paint anywhere?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Thanks guys. We can continue.
Kan vi godt filme, hvem der holder?
Das Handy verloren?
Ja. Heb je het gezegd?
In de bodemcase dat we nu überholen können. Ah, das Ding kaputt.
Danke vielmals.
Musik ausgegangen. Ja. Also danke. Ja, zum Glück bist du wieder